Okay, so here I go for the second part of the thing. Does that make a difference? I'm not sure. As far as it can go. Yes, okay, it is a bit fiddly this bit because you have to have the correct, even though, you can see the names of nodes and things. There's a kind of, they're actually quite set nodes. Maybe I should have made the variables before I started this as well. Anyway, so the variables are, we have two variables here. I've got a dialogue, and that's going to be a string. So that's a number of words that you can have, whatever you want. And also I'm going to make it an array, so that means I can have a few of them. So if I compile, save, there you are. So now I can put a few of these in. I'm just going to put a 3. Hello, how are you? Not that. How are you? And another one. Say, okay, so it's not a dynamic system, this one. Like the AI is not going to talk back to you. Obviously, that would be the next step on. So for now, it's just having a dialogue kind of with yourself. We will look at that later on. So that's more kind of AI stuff. Oh, still got. Wait a minute, we delete that. Can I delete it? No, do I not want to delete that? Wait a minute, I'm leaving it. Should that be there? I'm not sure. And then plus, yeah, no, that's all right. Get what do I want to do? Yeah, my talk index, and that's going to be an integer. So there's integers and floats. They use these kind of things, and also it's going to be a single one. Compile. You need to compile so you can see it. You don't want to start from 0. You want to start from 1, I think, or else it brings in nothing, the first one. So you want to go from 1, which is the first one that you've kind of got, I think. Okay, and once we're there, I want to do, once I'm there, I want to bring in that, so I'm getting it, get talk index. I then want to draw, from the toolkit, so I'm going to use that to draw out from the string. So I need plus, which gives you the integer plus 1. It's double, not the normal plus 1. And that's going to go into a branch. I'm using that to call out, one at a time, the strings that are in it. And then want to bring in my dialogue. So this has got all my dialogue in. Get dialogue. So the length. So it's just basically saying, go through it one at a time. This is the length of the array. I'm then going to bring this back in as well. Less than equals just means it keeps going until it gets to the end of what's in the length of the string. Of the length. Actually, I want the length at the bottom. Want the length at the bottom like that, and then I want this one to that one. So this is just going to draw out until it gets to the end of it, and that's going to be the condition for the branch. Yes, it is. And then I'm going to create the widget, I think. And the widget is Convo. And what's the only player? You need to put the get player controller. Because that's what's owning it. So you want it, because we're in the other. So we're not actually in the controlling player for the widget. then, so this is the UI, so I'm going to promote that to a variable so I can just use it in lots of different places. And actually you'll find that you can't connect. I've tried before to just connect the pin straight, but it doesn't do it. You do normally need to. So I want to use this widget in a few different places, and I want it to be kind of, you know, talk to. That's not what I need. So yeah, it's for the validation. So I want it to be able to use it in order to kind of direct certain nodes. So to do that, I'm setting it as a separate. And I'm converting it to a validated get as well. So yeah, just basically so I can call it off there, for instance. So I've made it, I mean, if I got this and placed it in, it wouldn't have the same function. It does need to be its own variable, so you can use it in different places like that. Yeah, so that's how it operates. I'm going to add it to the variable. Validated get just means that it checks it, I think, to view. Sorry, I sound a bit like I don't know what that means, but yeah, the validated get just means it validates that you know it's a true variable that it can kind of operate and go to. Let's see, so I got that. I'm then going to bring that UI back in again, get UI. So it's almost like casting to it, really. It's kind of a bit like casting. So you can see down there, it allows me to get the text from it, from the UI, you know, wherever it is now, from the UI. And it's not valid. Is valid. I'm going to try and set text. Can I set the text yet? No, I can't. Wait. Where does the set text come from? So sometimes you have to have the right source as well in order to create the node, so it refers to the right source. So sometimes you could create a node, but it's not actually going to, it's not connected to what you want it to be connected to, in which case it won't operate. So I think I need to get my dialog first. And I need to get my talk index as well. Get talk index. So I want to get the dialog once more. I'm going to use a get node for that. So I want to get a copy of it. What do I want to get a copy of? I want to get a copy of the dialog, and I want to draw it out using my integer, the index, the 1, 2. So I want to get the first one, the second one, and then the third one. Two text strings, so that's the length of it. So just remember, a string is like just the length of what we're getting. I think it is that one. I'm about to find out. No, it's not that one. It is. Hold on, it is. Ah, this one. So it's going to the widget. I think yes, right, it is that one. Okay, so it's that one, and then this one too here. So that's just saying the length of it, the string, and then that to there, like that. I'm going to compile. No, which one is not getting? Get only players. Get player controller. Get player controller. Let's see what happens. So I'm sticking Mr. here. Play. There he is. I made him a bit smaller then. So go over the text blocks. Not doing it. Why is it not doing it? Let me just check my dialogue is hello, how are you? Say something, please, I'm going. Okay, so I got all that. Oh, wait a minute. Remove from parent. We can go to the next one along. Nope, not that side. It's this side. Where's that? That's going to do it. But it's because maybe the text was in front, wasn't moved from the parent. Nope. Okay, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Okay, there's good chance for everyone there to work out what I've just done wrong there and tell me. That would be fantastic. Shout it now. Don't tell me you've done it wrong. I think that's all right. The only thing I can think of then is where is the dialogue string? Not dialogue, talking text. Is it not one? Maybe it's supposed to be -1. It's just getting it right. Oh yeah, it's working, but maybe it can be 0. Okay, let's go back into that. Let's try it at 0. So -1 means it's starting with the text block. So you can play around. No. It's giving me the text blocks for some. But anyway, so that's the idea. That is how it operates. I think I just need to finesse this. I'm going to leave it at -1 for now. And actually, I'm also going to go in. I'm going to change my widget. Not that widget. I'm going to just quickly change my this one. Let me just check the text box. Text is thingamajig. That's a variable too. So text is a variable. Yeah, I'm getting the text box as well. I probably just need to have a look at that and sort it out. But I mean, that is your basic kind of text function and calling it through. Please, I'm going like that. So it has got 3, but it has got the text blocks in it. I need to be a bit of a play around with that, but that is how you get it started. I think if I go back in and change my text blocks into the first bit of text or play around with those numbers, it'll probably fix that.